So rapidly, everything's changing so quickly, huh?
Yeah, and I know that a lot of people are saying, hey, it's sunny out here. We're seeing rainbows, but
no,
it's still coming.
It's still just some breaks in the clouds right now because the system is still sitting to the west of us and moving toward us as we speak. So that's why that flash flood warning was issued right over portions of Santa Barbara and the Ventura County area, that area that you see right there on your map where I've drawn the arrow to indicate where that flash flood warning is located. And the reason for that is because we already saw the mudslides earlier today, and with more heavy rain really rotating in from the system, we could see more of the flash flood and debris flow really pushing through as we head into the next few hours. So this is going to stay in place until just after 2:30 this afternoon. Now I'm going to show you as we zoom in. This area is right between Carpinteria and Ventura, right along the 101, where we could see much more of that activity that we saw earlier today as this low pressure system continues to press through the area. So you can see how it spins counterclockwise right now, and it is bringing a lot more of that energy coming in from offshore. So it hasn't even made its way over to LA or Orange County just yet. So we're expecting even more rain as we head into the next few hours before the system fully leaves the area. Now I'm going to zoom in really quick. We're starting to see a little bit more of the moderate to heavy rainfall pushing through areas like Beverly Hills, where we're starting to see some red here. So just be aware of that, and also right over the 101 freeway. And you can see that it's going toward areas like Burbank and also Glendale. So just be forewarned, we could see a little bit more activity in that area in the next couple of hours. The Inland Empire, as Sandra was mentioning, looking at some breaks in the clouds right now. So we're looking at more of the sunshine peeking through in areas like San Bernardino. But again, if you see to the west of it, the system will continue to march over to that area. So we're looking at much more rain in the next hour or so. Not only that, you can also notice that with this low pressure system, it's bringing in very gusty winds and much colder air behind this front. So we could see more of that mountain snow also taking place in the next few hours. We're looking at, these are just sustained winds. We're looking at double digits across the board from Santa Paula down to Long Beach up into Riverside, and our gusts are also in the double-digit territory. So far, these are just preliminary numbers. These numbers continue to change as the system continues to push through the area. We're looking at just under 5 inches of rain for Lido Creek, also less than 5 for Running Springs and Yucaipa Ridge, and then just under 3.5 inches for Mount Baldy, over 2 inches for Temecula and also for Murrieta, and then in areas like Big Bear, just under 2.5 inches. Bel Air, just over 1.5 inches, under an inch for Bell Canyon in Orange County, and then for Laguna Niguel, also just under 1.5 inches, just over an inch for Santa Monica, and just right under an inch near the airport at LAX. The Futurecast shows that the system continues to push through the area, finally making its way over to LA County and to parts of the Inland Empire by the time we head into about 2:30, 3 o'clock during the rush hour commute at 5 p.m. for portions of eastern LA County, Orange County, and also the Inland Empire. We're still looking at that rain sitting over the area. Then we finally start to clear and dry up for the western portion of LA County and also Ventura County by 7:30. But the system is still off to the east and moving over Orange County and Inland Empire, finally leaving the area by the time we head into the overnight hours. The good news, by tomorrow, we're going to look at much drier conditions, partly cloudy skies as this system leaves our area, and then a ridge of high pressure starts to build back in. And believe it or not, by Friday, we're looking at temperatures climbing back up to the 70s and 80s. Back to you.
What a change. Amber, thank you.